I'm Jana and I'm the programmer of this team.
In order to follow our plan of having a stop arm, we decided to use the if-then-else statement so that a decision could be made based on the distance between the car and the sensor. When the car is less than 20 centimeters away, the first decision would be that the lights will turn yellow and the arm will slowly move towards a 90-degree angle, and once that is reached, the red light will flash on. If it's not 20 centimeters away, the green light will remain on until the car is 20 centimeters away. One of the main problems that we faced was deciding whether to use a servo or a motor, which we ended up deciding to pick a motor because our aim was to make sure that the arm would move at a certain speed until the light would turn red. With a motor, we were able to control the speed in comparison to using a servo where there is no speed command. Another problem we faced was deciding how far the distance would be, and since our prototype was small, we decided to stick to 20 centimeters.
Our project is talking right to be made about the traffic lights. This is important because some people do violations of the signal and we make this traffic light. Many people decrease violation of the signal. We choose this for the design because this is the people do not doing the violation of the signal because they are moved their arm and the people stop the their stop.
Hi, my name is Dario and I'm the engineer of this project. So this is what our final product looks like. Now I'm going to explain the functionality of what I just showed you. So for the mechanics, we have 5 components. First, we have obviously the LEDs that activate the lights. So the LEDs consist of red, yellow, and green. Then we have the sensor, which activates the LEDs once an object comes 20 centimeters or more close to it. The sensor also activates the motor. However, in our final product, unfortunately, the motor didn't work, which I will talk about later. Then we have the USB cable to plug into the laptop for the coding to connect to our Hummingbird kit. And finally, we have the power source on the wall, since the laptop wouldn't give enough power for the motor. This is what our product looks like without any engineering on top of it. So, how does it work? Well, once the car, as you can see in the video, approaches the sensor tells the lights and the motor in the coding to activate. Okay? The green is always on forever until the car activates the sensor. When the car activates the sensor, the lights do their pattern. Obviously yellow and then red. And then after that, what's meant to happen is the whole arm is meant to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. This is because it represents an anchor, and for blind people who can't see the colors, which was our initial problem, it would solve that. Unfortunately, we stumbled along a couple of problems, and one of our challenges were that the motor wouldn't work after we combined everything together. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to disassemble it, make the motor work, and assemble it again.